I can still remember when your eyes would look for me, and I see that old photograph of the girl I used to be. And now the kids are grown and gone. It's been a long, long while, and it's been years since I have seen you really smile. The silence